In this video, I'll show you how to create a US PayPal account as a non-US resident, and what's realistically possible and what isn't. First, it's important to understand one key rule. PayPal requires that the country on your account matches where you actually live and bank. That means you shouldn't use a fake US address, someone else's social security number, or random details just to open a US account. Doing that can get the account permanently limited or closed. So, what can you do legally? If you truly have a connection to the US, for example, you live there, study there, or work there, and you have a US address, US phone number, and a US bank account or card, you can sign up on the PayPal website, choose United States as the country, and enter your real US information during registration and verification. If you don't have any of those, the correct option is to open a PayPal account in your real country of residence, then link your local bank or card. You can still receive international payments, withdraw to your local bank, and use PayPal for online purchases without pretending to be in the US. Using accurate, honest details is the best way to avoid limitations, frozen funds, and long verification reviews later on. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.